There you go. Oh. There you go. Coming, coming. Nagkakamot ng likod, yung mga kapitay.
Ayan, malapit na kami matapos. Ito yung mga water tank dito.
Beautiful, ang ganda ng panahon. To the island. To the ward island or the hand? Keep moving? Okay, sorry.
Keep moving now.
Wow.
Nice condo, eh?
Okay, this is the ferry station now.
We're going to the ferry station.
Ito na yung ferry station dito sa...
Yes, we have to buy ticket right there. Look, see? Oh, we could have bought online ticket.
Yeah.
See?
You don't know what's time. Okay. So this is the island. Ito yung island dito. Ayan.
See the type.
And that's
Adult,
the schedule.
9/11. Oh, 65 and over. Type.
Oh, no lineup today.
One is leaving, one is coming. So, ang travel time namin 25 minutes going to the island. Yun.
Good morning, welcome aboard.
Good morning, Kesa he. This will be the front. Ayan. Okay, we're getting closer. Doon tayo sa...
Dala yung kwan. Oo nga.
Nakikita na namin yung Center Island. Ayun, may aso pa. That's the Sky Dome and CN Tower. Okay, we are here. Ito na kami. Beautiful day today. Ayan. Okay, buddy, shoot it. There you go. Oh, you miss. And I capture you. You're on camera.
It's my first day.
Okay, it's gonna be viral. Okay, try again.
Maybe you're gonna miss again, eh?
When it's closer, definitely miss.
Okay, let's see. There you go. Clap, 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 clap.
Alam ko, pwede ka tumalong dito.
Pwede. Ito. Napasyal uli kami. Kasi have a nice day. Long weekend today.
Thank you, Kuya.
I'm gonna go, yes.
I'm gonna go too.
Kamsi-kamsa, ito ang ating mapa.
Oo nga, naka 18 minutes.
Ito. Ito yung amusement area. So, hope. Oh, very nice. Look. May fountain pala dito. Row your boat.
Nag-grab.
Ito. Maganda pala mag-photoshoot dito.
Sunod na natin.
Kasi kaya pala ito mo may rainbow. May rainbow. Yeah.
Hindi notification.
Ito na. Nandito na kami sa Centerville Island.
Where all kids enjoy during summertime.
Okay.
Open from May, September 1st. It happens that Labor Day is on September 1st.
All weekend pala yan.
Weekend
Ayun.
only.
Tingnan yung mga parents. Saya-saya. Okay. Iyan ka mga nanay nila. Yun na. Saya-saya nila. Okay, so here's the price. Ayan. All day family ride pass $182. All day ride pass over for $54 per person. Individual ride ticket $80. Wow. Season pass $99. Yun.
Oh my gosh, how are you? I'm great.
Oh, si Rona. Rona Perez.
Kasama nyo?
Kami lang dalawa.
Kayo lang po?
Wala na
That's
kasing
nice.
anak. So habang bata pa,
Opo.
samahan mo yan.
This is the last, yeah. Where's Ad? Look at that.
Ganyan pala yun. Sabay-sabay lang. Oh wow, the Centerville Court. Yeah. So this is it. I'm gonna go find the washroom. Here we go. There. I'm looking for the washroom. Ihi muna tayo. Yay. Meron pa dun sa taas. Ito. Center Island. And they call it Centerville. Here in Toronto, Center Island. Yan.
Nobody. Yan, ginawa niya yan yun eh. Ayaw na sila.
Magpapotoshoot tayo dito sa may malaking bangko. Silya. Oh, pili ka na ng kulay mo. Which one? Oh, I want the yellow one.
Okay.
Welcome to Far Enough Farm. Sige, ayun. Ayun. Yeah. Ayun.
Okay,
One more is coming.
Victoria,
Ayun, dalawa na kayo dyan.
Victoria, look at me.
Ayun.
Look,
Oh, yung isa pa. Oh.
Victoria.
Buraot pala yun. Ah! Nangyari doon? Naninigaw? Kayo naninigaw, ha?
What happened?
That scared me.
How are you? Ito pa yung isang lapitan to. Hello? Dito tayo. Hello? Yeah.
And that's a big one.
May tawag dyan eh, Alcopa.
Hindi ko alam.
Alcopra.
Oo, ako pang sinano mo. Ako dungo sa mga bagay na yan.
Hello! Yo, umakit pala yung papunta doon. Ayun! Oh, lakas ng alog. There we go. It's coming, it's coming. Yay!
That was fun, right?
Okay, we're going now to our trip.
We're going back.
We're going- Finish our gala-gala sa Center Island. Oh.
알고 있었어. 착각 소리가 나는데 어떻게
daming
몰라.
tao.
어.
Yan ba yung sinakyan natin kanina?
Huh?
Yan ba yung sinakyan natin kanina?
I don't know. Maybe the same. Oh no, it's different. Different crew. This is white crew.
It's a different crew.
Other crew is
A different crew.
yan, daming taos. Okay, baka makita natin ng dito tayo. Dito. Taxi dito. Balik na dun sa main island. Maybe we can spot yung mga aeroplano nag-air show. Baka ma-spotan natin dito. Okay, we'll see. Oops, sorry.
We're moving now. Beautiful, ang ganda ng panahon.
In an ideal world, I'd have that'd be a world. Dad, what's it? Dad, what's it?
Hey, my friend, you have two camera there, eh?
I can make 4.
Oh, you make
Yeah, honestly.
Oh.
Look, up here. Put more. And then you clamp something here more. Make 5, 6.
Yeah, that's good.
That's okay.
Oh, look at these people coming to the airline, to the island,
This one going. That's a Ward Island.
to the Ward Island or the
Center. That's the next one.
Okay,
That's the one.
good.
This is white.
Look. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel with my friend. with my friend. What's your name, my friend? Roop. What's your channel?
Toronto Life as it is.
Yo, that's good. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my friend. Okay, we're good.
Facebook, my
Keep moving. Okay, sorry.
Keep moving that way.
We're done with this island.